Hello and welcome back to today's morning report analysis videos on Wednesday the 4th of January with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Let's look at Eurodollar now. And we've had this sort of bounce today, this minor bounce as the dollar's corrected back a little bit. I don't necessarily think it's going to be a bounce that lasts especially long. I think you look at the daily technicals, you still sort of holding underneath the breakdown, 104.56. Yesterday we had a break of the 103.50 level, 103.39 or 103.40 was the low, and then you sort of close back above that low. So arguably that's sort of, you could take that two ways. You could arguably say that that's a false downside break, or you could say that perhaps it's more the fact that the market is testing the water, and I think it's going to be continuing to test the water at 103.50. I don't really necessarily see that this is going to be the beginning of a recovery that sort of lasts especially long. You look at the momentum indicators, stochastics turned lower, so RSI failing underneath 50. MACD lines are definitely bearishly configured. So it's all pretty much, I think, points towards further downside. We see here on the hourly chart where you sort of got this succession or sequence of lower highs. MACD lines basically unwinding back towards neutral really, and RSI sort of turning back from around 60. So it's all pretty much still points, I think, towards a sort of seeing that rallies are a chance to sell. Now that 105 level is a bit of a pivot near term. You're still trading underneath that, and I think that's your resistance near term. That anything underneath that, any sell signal underneath that, I think is a chance to get out again. You've got these sort of level around where we're trading at the moment. Actually, again, a sort of a bit of a pivot. Lows there, lows, and reaction high at the moment. So around 104.45, between 104.45 and 105 figure, I think is a sell zone. And I think ultimately that will retest the lows again, and then I'm still on for parity on Eurodollar. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.